Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. So now I am presenting here with a new story. So the story is The Hungry Wolf.
Once there was a wolf who was starving. It was searching food here and there, but it couldn't get it. At last, it found a loaf of bread and piece of meat and also fish.
In the hole of a tree, it seemed overjoyed.
The hungry wolf squeezed into the hole. It had all the food. Now it was feeling good because its appetite had removed. But that food was the woodcutter's food. Now he was feeling hungry, so he returned back for having lunch, but he couldn't get his lunch. Now he saw the tail of wolf. He knew everything. Where was his lunch? The woodcutter started to beat the wolf. The wolf was swollen now, was unable to run fastly. Thank you so much for listening, and please tell me how was the story, and please those who didn't watch this story, so please watch it and